here just doing some accuracy shots. I've got a MadBull 6.03 tight bore barrel in there now. Not too sure what the FPS is at the moment because the hop up needs to be set in. It needs to bed in itself a little bit. I've had to set up a bin on top of a bin, and I've got a camera recording on top. See, there's the target, you see it on the camera screen, and it's miles down there. As you can see, the target is just there, that white pillar with a black circle on it. Incidentally, that black circle is one of these pizza bases, just for a size comparison. That's the size of my hand on the target. Okay, a couple of test shots down the length of the garden using 0.3 gram BBs. The muzzle is directly over the camera. Oh, hit the 1 o'clock position right on the rim. Ah, it's 9 o'clock position. No, 6 o'clock position. All these shots are done in a standing up position. Ah, that went well. Ah, misspeed again. No shots. Oh, off target but hit the board. That was bullseye. Oh, that was just off the bullseye. In the 1 o'clock. Wind picking up now. Oh, just off target. 12 o'clock. I don't know where that went. Oh, above target. O'clock position. One o'clock position. I think that was centre. Alright, last shot. Four o'clock position on target. Okay, these shots are without suppressor. Again, the muzzle is just over the camera. Ah, that was definitely 9 o'clock. BB still inside the target. That was on target about 7 o'clock. That was at 12 o'clock. No, that was at 2 o'clock. So far, every target on shot on target. Ah, off target, 1 o'clock. Only just. Ah, 3 o'clock, wind took it off. Ooh, bounced off target at 6 o'clock position. I'll take this one as my last shot. Ah, wind took it off at the 3 o'clock position. Okay, I'm going to go for a walk now down the garden. The camera positioned here on top of these two bins. You have to forgive the garden. I've been off work for 7 weeks with a broken leg, so I haven't been able to do still. Looks like perfect woodland environment. And here's my target. It's a 5-foot display stand for Lucozade, 12-inch pizza base, taped on. Some good shots. I'd say about a 90% hit-miss ratio, which isn't too bad. It's been quite blustery. If we turn around, you just about to see lights pretty bright, but the house is way back there. So I'm going to turn off and upload it.